Hello and welcome to the tutorial on maintaining navigation of your configurator with the customizer of the INKAS cockpit. With the customizer, you maintain a navigation of your finished product configurators. In this case, we are configuring a navigation for various e-bike configurators. In the top bar, you can see which application you are currently using. With the floppy disk, you save the changes made. With the globe, you can change the system language. Underneath the toolbar, there is the title of your navigation. Can be edited next to it. Under the title is the path of your configurator navigation. On the canvas, any number of tiles can be placed. You can add a tile using the plus sign. In this particular instance, I will add a tile for the products e-bike classic, off-road e-bike, city e-bike, and charging station individually. Every single item must be given a name and a picture must be chosen for each individual item. Each tile can be modified or removed. It is crucial to choose a tile type and a required product. The following options are also feasible. The tile can be grayed out. If the jump to one option is active, the tile is automatically selected if it is the only one visible. Tile can also only be displayed on the development system. Now I am satisfied with the navigation and can test it in the development system. Tutorial on maintaining navigation of configurator with customizer of INKAS cockpit. Thanks for watching and have fun configuring.